Wake up, asshole.
You know, guys, quarantine really does suck, but this beautiful view makes my day so much better.
So this random number calls me all the time, so I finally texted and I said, "Who is this?" And they said, and they also said, and then they called me, and I answered, and it's a baby!
I don't like when I take a shower. Like, I love taking showers, but when I take a shower, my hair... Is that a bee? Ah! Sweet!
Boys, in order to pick up a lady at the club, you need to be smooth, suave, and charming. Let's try some roleplay. Hey cutie, I noticed you from across the bar. Is that alcohol? Mom!
Hey guys, give this video a like if you don't know where all these basketballs in your yard came from and why they keep falling out of the sky.
BAKARFOL.
Okay, got it? Yep. Watch this. See it disappear, ready?
Nate thought he and Humphrey were thick as thieves. Turns out Humphrey's a thief, and Nate's just thick.
I grant you 3 wishes. Okay, I wish for 3 more wishes. You may not wish for more wishes. Okay, then I wish that wasn't a rule. You may not wish to change the rules. I wish you weren't a stupid bitch. I don't really know how. I wish you weren't the ugliest fucking person I've ever met. These wishes are really subjective and yeah, I wish I cared. I'm just really trying my best. Like, this is like my first day. Like, can you just like wish for something normal? Like money or like. I wish you would cry harder and not stop. And your wish is my command. What's your second wish? I wish no one can ever talk to you ever again. Your wish is my command. What's your third wish? I can't leave until your wishes are fulfilled. I'm